Hey, hello. Hope you are well. This is my website, WordPress website. You can see electrobus.com. I clean my hosting and file manager for fresh upload on WordPress. I did backup with all-in-one WP migration plugin. So I just install fresh WordPress on this domain, and I will re-upload my previous site migration by using that plugin. So let me log into my WordPress dashboard and add new plugin here. One. This is the best, one of the best migration plugin you can use for free. Like you can move your site, transfer, copy, migrate, backup, anything. Just need to, you know. Okay. Okay. So this is the yeah. Okay. Import. Or you can see my file size is uh, almost 500 MB, but you can see maximum upload size is 256 megabyte. So I will increase the limit. They ask for upgrade, like if I want to upload bigger size, then the price will be too much. You can see. So I will show you how you can increase the limit file size up to 2 GB. You mean you can upload 2 GB file and import with free version. For this you need to go to your hosting cpanel. You can see this is my cpanel here, and I can find in public HTML here, and I need to find the htaccess file and need to edit this file htaccess. It's not so complex. On this file you just need to add some code here on the below. You can see I will paste my code here. So this is the code. I will mention the code on the video description, don't worry. I just need to copy the code and just need to paste here and just click save. Just it. Okay, so let me refresh this page. The limit will the limit is gone, and the maximum file size is 2 GB. I hope this video will help you. On this method you can upload or migrate your old WP website with free version of all-in-one WP migration plugin with free version. Don't need to upgrade. This video will helpful. If you learned anything from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.